In the previous video, I have shown how to create and run or execute Python script through console, and also how to create a Python script in a file and execute with Python interpreter. Um, Now we will see how to create and execute Python script through Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is one of the interactive, very best tool I would say to create and run Python scripts. Uh, so you can go to there are two different versions available, or two versions available. One is through online. You can just Google it, Python Notebook. So you can see jupyter.org. If you go to the link, you can see there's an option to try. Click on the try and click on the Jupyter Notebook. So this is how you can create your Python script and execute through the online version of Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook. So for example, you can create a new file when you in new notebook. When it will ask you to select the kernel or application that you want to run. So we select Python. Yeah, so somewhere like this kind of place where you write your script. For example, I'm putting in print command, Python command. So you can see this is configured with the Python, and you can click run to execute. So this command, Python command, is executed, and you can see the result is being displayed here. This is the online version of the Jupyter. The other option is to install Anaconda on your machine. So if you go to anaconda.com, you'll have an option to install. You can click on the free download. You can skip registration, or if you want, you can add you can register with your email ID, and you have options to install, download, and install based on your OS, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once you installed, I have Windows machine, so since I installed on my Windows machine, I see like Anaconda Navigator option. So if I click the Anaconda Navigator, I get a screen something like this. So you can see there are multiple applications is being orchestrated in the inside the Anaconda. There are something that you need to install. There are something that comes or is being installed as part of Anaconda. So here we'll go to the Jupyter Notebook. So when you click launch, this also will run as a online, but it's installed in your local, and it will open the browser. So the only difference between the online version and this local is like this is like you need to have internet, and it runs in the online. The other one is the one that you run through Anaconda is running in your local machine. So it displays the default directory and all the files. So if you want to create a new Python script, you can follow the same. Go to File, New, and click on Notebook. Again, it will ask you to select the interpreter. Yeah, so I have Python 3, so I'm going with the same version. So I'm just selecting it. Here you can run your Python scripts. So I'm running the same print command, executed. So you can run it. So this is being executed with the Python 3.